Welcome to my channel. I am Shaheen from DARKOM Real Estate and I live here in Costa Brava, DAMAC Lagoons. I recently completed the landscaping at my own home. So today I'll walk you through the entire process from choosing the landscaping company and getting the max and OC to the work itself and the final results. Let's get started. Find a landscaping company, make a deal and ask for the below documents: trade license, workers' passport copies, visa pages and Emirates IDs, as well as a sample drawing sketch. If you are a tenant, you will need title deed copy, an OC from the landlord and e-diary certificate. If you are the landlord, you will need title deed copy, self-declaration and OC letter. Before you begin, make sure you have downloaded the DAMAC Living app. Now, I'll show you the step-by-step process of how to complete it through the app. Log in or create credentials if you don't have an existing one. Once you are logged in, scroll down and select New Request. Click Modification Works and select NOC for fit-out alterations. Click the type of work and select Soft Landscaping. Then click Raise a Request. Select Collection by. You can have an option of the contractor, self or tenant. And you can write the description here and click Next. Here you will upload all the documents that I mentioned earlier. Once you are done uploading, click Next. Click here to make the payment. Once it's done, you will receive an email like this from DAMAC. Please ensure that you read all the important notes and regulations regarding the ongoing works. You can also check the status on your DAMAC Living app to see if it's been approved. This is a sample of the work permit that you should receive from DAMAC. Once you have the work permit, kindly advise your contractor to start the QR permit issuance process. Once the contractor receives the QR code, they can start bringing in the required materials and start the preparation and work on site. I hope this video has clarified the landscaping process in DAMAC Lagoons. If you have any questions, feel free to WhatsApp me and I'll be happy to help. Subscribe for more DAMAC Lagoons property tours and practical Dubai real estate insights. Thank you for watching.